sister. I finally have time to draw today. Grow this depressing cat makeup. The popularity really doesn't need me to read. Susu start. I haven't been wearing this depressing makeup much lately. I'm looking forward to it. I don't know if it's because of the changing seasons. I've been getting some dander from my makeup lately. So let's put on makeup and spray it hard. This cream sprays me. Mango seed if I think you wait for it to absorb naturally. The effect will be better. Wait a minute. Wait for what you said before. I still use this blue brightener. This is mainly a comparison magnet. I would like to ask about this one. If it doesn't feel that dry, you can use this. Oh, I still like to brighten before trimming. Or use this to spread it on your hands. Face. Press them in the more sunken place here. Do you experience weight sensation? And our jaws. Because my chin is shorter, the long chin cervical spine can actually not be brightened. Here's single root here. Light it up. The whole face should be more three-dimensional. The old rule is that there is no grooming pen to trim the face. I really use this one more and more smoothly. Look, it's double-headed. Let's use the big head first. A brown-gray brown here for nasal shadow. Nose here we are drawing a V. Draw a horizontal line down. The cat packs something to shorten it for him. Then finish drawing here or draw C. It's a little heavier here, because my eyes are still wide apart. I think my eyebrows are flat. Then our eye structure can also be strong. Adjust. Very silky. Horns should also be brought here. It will appear three-dimensional. You can also have one here. When painting all, I think it's better to be your mirror. Straighten it to the thickest place. Line. Then I bought him with this brush. Could you try it? This brush works great, oh my god. Give him a place to go to the hairline. Take a look at it. The color is still natural. I didn't finish the base makeup, and it doesn't mean redness. Found the limit. Next step. Don't pollute here. Just be patient. Tram method. I use makeup a little bit. It's more natural as a whole. Withered all the way. Come to finish, there is a sense of firmness from the skin to the bone. I like it very much. Wait for me. I made the concave words. You can draw a little higher. Then we use this little head here. He's this orange with a little pink carving. Take a look and draw the nest here. Is this place important to me? I'll rebuild here. You can also take a look first. I think it's a good deal. That's pretty appropriate too. I'll take a look at it for you now. Bet this. Salas. Stand up. Say you want your Sal. More obvious. You can make a bottom line like this first. We'll use this puppet later. Book brush to class. From here. If you drive it all, don't bring it to the face. Then we need to draw the eyebrows. These eyebrows are so thick. Look at my eyebrows. Press them with honey powder first. Fill it out with eyebrow powder first. Don't make a thicker brush, be sure to fill it out for him. Eyebrow burst. I've been a little bit longer. Then use a gray-brown eyebrow pencil to draw a blind flow. Follow the direction of the eyebrows. Actually, I feel pretty good. Then let's use this eyebrow cream. This is Spirit. Angry, I'm going to stick to my skin. Hey guys, you want to see a white? Give the eyelids a bottom. Remember to scan the antenna. Use a pink one to fetch water first. Press. Go up slightly. Go down and take it simply. Then we ask the plate, the color is darker. Of Intinum of its city. Exist. Exist. Together. You. Then use a glue pen to open the eye holder. Draw a makeup rim directly. Let's use these two colors. Drop here first. Deepen it a little. We brush clean brushes. Twist the eyeshadow saliva. Use this. Simply lift eyeshadow sal. Let me show you. This eyelash is still more existent. Then I posted this 3 times. Then post this too. Use this black meter first. Be sure to press it like this on the plate. Otherwise he will fly out. Start here at the end of the eye. I brushed so much color. 49, our upper eyeliner side is parallel up and down. Take a look down at this drop-off location. Like our black eyeliner pen. Trace the overall eyeliner. Sisters, this eye makeup is very beautiful. Then we can fix up our makeup. This is a pink and white color. I think it's okay. Go here and raise it hard. Nose. So here I'm using this very bright color. With this smaller brush, it's really bright with this. The fish head forgot to come sideways. West End here. My husband hurriedly told me, he'll make your face feel like it's pulled out. Then the lip line was wiped off again during the meal. Lip line up and down. Draw your feet up. The whole is more sensual. Here. We really hope this time. I still want to ask if the eyeshadow is a little pink. Look at this color with a naked pink. Click this. Let's do it first when the assembly is done.